Hi everyone, I'm going to do a video on OS Grid, just kind of basically talk about it. So OS Grid is basically an open simulator, so it's a bit like Second Life but not quite. Come to this website, so OS Grid, just type in OS Grid and this is what the website looks like. Come here and basically sign up and then go to your download section, which I'm clicking on now, and you can download their server, and it comes with note cards on how to set it up. It's not too difficult. The only difficult part is if you've never done it before, is port forwarding. So you have to know what number to type in to get to your router settings and change, and basically go in there and create some ports that are open, so from 9000 to 9010 or something, and you use those for your sims. I'm going to show you the program in a minute, and you need to download a viewer. So you sign up here to create your character, your avatar, and you download a viewer as well to play it. So I'll kind of show you that part now. And you get your grids, server thing from here as well, your server program. So let me show you that. So you get your server program, it comes in your downloads folder, but I suggest you unzip it there and put it on your desktop like I've done here, and you go into there and you go into your bin folder. Like I say, there's plenty of reading material on the internet to be found when you download the server, which is what this is. You go into it, you see it's pretty well documented, and you go into your bin folder first and you set it all up by activating this exe here in your bin folder. So you don't have to set up any note cards. Once you've done your port forwarding, you can then upload this program. Now I pre-set up mine, so you see it's just gonna load it all up in this dialog menu. As you see, it's all loading up, and I've got 2 sims at the minute. What you do is you create one region. You can have as many sims as you want in that region, and you can switch between the different simulators to load up whatever you want. So if you're not very good at building, or you can't be bothered, you can basically go to that to another website that I'll show you now whilst this is doing this. So you can go to this website here, and you can download these folders, and you just put them in your bin folder, and you can rename them when they come down to like a shorter name, as long as it's got the .fbz on the end, then you're good to go. I'll show you what I mean by that whilst this is loading up. If I go into the bin folder, this is where you paste those downloads. Once you download them, anything you download, you paste in here. I'm sorry this is not a good explanation, but it's the best I can give. You download these folders here, and you can they're like OERs. As long as you keep the .tgz on the end of them, you can rename the front bit. So I've renamed this one to Fun. It had a bigger name, so I renamed it to Fun. And you can save your own as well. You can save your own worlds. So it is one I made a save. You can type in there, in this black box, a bunch of commands, and it's a bit difficult for me to describe because I'm a dyslexia, but you can type in a commands and make your own backup of your own will, which is what that is there. So this is your server. As you can see, mine's all set up and running. Right, this is a viewer you download, Firestorm for OS Grid. And you load it up. Of course, you've already been to OS and made your account. Don't forget that's the first thing you do. And then you can log in to your home. Hopefully it's all up and running. You might have to keep on top of things like your IP address. If your IP address changes, obviously you have to go in and tell it, yeah, your IP's changed. But to find out what your IP is, you just go to whatsmyip.com. So here's the, this is an OER that I've took and basically built my own little stagey area. And if I fly up, you'll see over here, this is my other simulator on the same program. It's a little sandbox area to build and test ideas and upload our OERs. Whilst, you know, I can keep this as this is and not ruin this one. I'll show you my friend's simulator over here. This is his sim. A bunch of text in a minute telling me I'm leaving mine and entering his. There it is. I'll go down, it's made his all snowy, Christmassy. And that's just a little bit about Open Simulator, so hopefully you come and join us and figure it out for yourselves. I hope I've done a little explanation about what Open Grids is and a little bit about it. Good thing about coming here is, like I say, your sims are free, unlike Second Life where you have to pay for them to be set up. Okay, it's a bit of a learning curve to setting it up yourself. Here everything's free, upload, sims, everything. So hope to see you in Open Grid, and if you search Open Grid on YouTube and the internet you can learn more about it. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye for now.